difficult with one hand. I've just had this soaking for a little while now. It's not the easiest leather to cast with. It's got a painted coat on it, but it's good to test mould, and if it's hard leather to work with the moulding, that assures me that with good leather it's going to work out good. Okay, so basically here in this case, this is doing one for the double hole, so I just line them up with the nails. The mould I can take out the bottom nail if I want it to be a single snap model. Okay, so I'll just basically try and get that to take the shape a bit, and as I said, this might be a bit tricky trying to do it with one hand. Alright. Okay, we've got a little bit of pressure there, so from this point here I'll take it out to the cowboy press. Should be right this time. Normally is. Okay, down she comes. Squeeze. Bump. Okay, so that's it. We'll come back in half an hour or so and we'll attach some clamps onto it. For those patient of you enough to keep watching and get to see what the mould turns out like. Alright, that's taking the cover off. Not looking too bad to me. Right, now from this step here, as I sort of showed a little bit before, I put that over, and I got the option, depending on how wide you'd like to cut it. This is, not sure if I'm getting that in the video, trying to do it with one hand. I'll just put the camera over here for a moment, see if I can capture me cutting it a bit with two hands. Okay, right, so you can see with a bit of luck. Oh yeah, not too good with the light behind. Okay, it's still a little bit damp, which makes it a bit easier to cut through. Okay, right, and now take that off and take it off the mould. Right, there we go. Not looking too bad. And from that stage, that piece there, I'll do a little trim up. See that corner's a bit high there, so I'll just knock that down and level it up. And we might come back after I've glued this all up, and at this stage here I've glued it up and I've put a little bit of edging around the sides because it's easier to do a bit now than it is later. Also, I'm very happy I've remembered to put in the studs. It's always good that you don't have to try and get them in later. So that part's all ready to go and ready to stitch. Because it's still a bit damp, I probably won't stitch it until tomorrow. I find to go and hopefully everything goes right. Coming through all right. Yep. Okay. So here we go. Okay, just finishing off that's my 3 prototype tests done with the mould. Luckily the Leatherman Wave and the Surge all worked off the same mould, with just a little bit of change in the patterning. It's the double version and the single version of the Wave. Sorry, a bit hard doing this with one hand. Okay, it's a nice fit, goes in well, clips in well, and that's the Surge. Once again, nice fit, and that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you have any interest, any questions, give us a call or contact me on the links below. Bye.